Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term chud. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, chud is a derogatory slang term for a socially awkward or uncool person. People use it when they want to describe someone who acts weird or out of touch. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Chud first showed up in the 1980s horror movie scene, but gained popularity online in the 2010s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among internet communities and young people. Now let's check out how to use chud in a sentence. Correct example 1. Everyone teased Jason because he acted like a total chud at the party. Correct example 2. Did you see that chud trying to dance at the club last night? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said chud at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using chud right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Chud means a derogatory slang term for a socially awkward or uncool person. It started in the 1980s horror movie scene, and now you'll hear it in conversations online or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with chud in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.